Hi guys, it's me Aaron here. So today we're gonna be using an airbrush and some paint today. So I've never used the airbrush with paint, so I'm gonna test it first. So let me get some paint. I'm just gonna use some black paint so I can see it on the white paper. Okay. Well, let me get a brush. Little paint. Then mix it in this. Okay, I forgot some tissue. Okay, we're back with some tissue to wash my brush. Okay, then close this. And let's get it inside of the cup. Gonna put it here. Okay, just a little bit of black. Let me get my unicorn out of here. So let me see. Not that much colors coming out, but I can always layer that with some more. So let me empty this out. I don't need. I need to add more paint. So this works. So what we're gonna be painting today is a unicorn, but it wasn't made by my dad. The only modified here is the name. So it was from a user that he posted this. So first things first, we're gonna paint. We're going to paint the name so you can see it more clearly. So I need some paint. So I'm gonna get some red, some orange, yellow, green, blue, some purple. Okay. How long is my name? I think I need 3 more colors. So I'm just gonna mix some colors while I do that. So now we're gonna paint. Okay, this is red. I covered my table so I won't stain it. So now I'm gonna paint the letter E. took a little while, but it's definitely worth it. Look at the eyes. So, thank you for watching my video. See you later. Bye!